is also a function. If we need to know the length of this spam, so we can just count it 1, 2, 3, 4. So it gives the output as 4. So length of the list can be counted. Okay. Next is list replication and concatenation. So there are operators which we use for it. The multiplication, that is the star operator for list replication. So the same output, the same input will be printed actually thrice. So this is replicated 3 times. Okay, if I give, let's say, 2, so I'll get twice replication. Yeah. So second one, uh, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to add the integer values, like the list which I have stored, and with the strings. So it will actually generate, yeah, okay. So it will concatenate both of these. Uh, Next is, suppose if I want to delete some elements from a position, if I want to get rid of this rat, so what will I do? I'll just say del spam and I'll specify the index value. So it will give me 2. So it should actually delete that. It's a cat, bat, and elephant. Rat disappears. Fine. Uh, so
Now
this is
again,
also
again for 5 seconds. One another snap I will take. Just show your face. Let it be that way only. Only your face. The Jupyter notebook will be there only. Just make your video on. Let the Jupyter notebook come. What we are presenting now. Just wait.
okay.
That's all. Now, how much time will take more, Isha?
So I think 5 minutes.
Okay, 5 minutes. Before I
Not
will
more than
not forget again. So these thing you have your references from books only or what?
Yes, sir.
Book, I think from the textbook only, no? So textbook
Yes,
only
sir.
that you
From
have all coded or you have found something on the net, because the first slide, the second slide, you will have to mention the reference. The reference also to be mentioned
okay.
from where you have taken, but your reference is mostly the textbook, no?
Yes, sir. Mostly
So
text.
anything reference you can print in your slide to send me, that gigs for gigs,
Okay.
like that, sharing your screen. Here also in display also, you can type on your net
Hmm.
window list in Python, and then something from the tutorials point or gigs for gigs, it will come, and that's that URL reference only paste in your slide. That's all.
Okay.
Now can continue.
Okay, sir. Fine. So this is the augmented assignment operators, very similar to the one that we used in Java. So it's very similar. But the only thing is, what we do is here it will just replicate. So if I just run it, it will print. So this works as a replication operator. Okay. So if I print it, it will replicate Zophie thrice. Next is list methods, which is very important. So first one is index and append. Now, what is the main difference? If I say, okay, append, index will give me the index of the value that I've entered here. So it's 1 basically. So yeah. Next is append and insert. So these two differences are very important. You can read it out over here. The return value is none. So what it means is there is no use of writing like this. If I say am equals to spam dot insert one and one at one position chicken, then it's useless because obviously there is no return value. So we don't assign like this. Instead, we just say spam dot insert, and the first one is the position where you want to insert it, and the second one you specify the value. So if I run it, you will get like this. At first position, you will get chicken. And uh, when we append, so here we can't specify the the position exactly where we want to insert, so it just gets added at the end. You can see here. Um, Now, if I want to use append function, append method with any other like something like strings and also, I'll get attribute error because it's just for list. Next is remove method. Now, remove method, as the name suggests, very simple. We can just remove the element. Suppose if I want to remove cat, I can just remove it simply. And one important thing that you should note here is cat appears twice in the list, actually thrice, here, and here too. So the first occurrence is only removed. You can read all the, like whatever I'm saying, I've written also. So the first occurrence is only removed, remaining stays as it is, as you can see over here. So same goes with the delete function also. So cat, bat, rat, and all these things. Now, if I want to delete spam3, so the difference is again very similar to what we had in append and insert. So here remove means remove a particular value, fine. But if I want to use the indexing, like at a particular index, if I want to remove that value, so we use del. Next is reverse. Now, if I just say spam.sort, it will just sort in alphabetical order. Fine. Actually, uh, ASCII values are considered and then it is sorted. So, but if I want to sort in descending order, so we just say reverse equals to true. So this is the thing that we do in order to sort in descending order. So let me run it. You'll get something like this. Now, Python doesn't know how to compare these values, like both the number values and string values. So it will actually yell at you and it will throw an error. Right. Now, next is a famous magic ball problem. Now, this I've just picked up from the textbook. So what it does is, it's a good example of random. Okay. So when I say, I've just taken messages, certain messages are printed over here. And if I say random.rand int 0, that means from 0, from this position, it will start, and len of messages -1. That means it will cover all the list, right? But since I'm using a random value, so it will generate every time a random value. Like first time when I'm running it, it's saying my reply is no. Now let me run it again. See, every time we are getting a different value. So this is a nice example of random with list. So thank you.
So, okay, first, Sai Kiran. Sai Kiran only, no, his name is Sai Kiran, or I am wrong? My favorite student, Sai Kiran. Sampat Kumar, Sai Kiran.
Sai Krishna.
Sampat Kumar, Sai Krishna, yes. So, Sai Krishna, just to, she has concluded this session. Just give that wonderful session and welcome these 2-3 questions from the audience.
So it's been a wonderful session on lists, how to manage and how to operate on lists. So if anyone have any questions.
One question came in the chat box, Isha. The pop and remove. Isha, just to take that question, it is also recorded. But what question is coming for you, Isha? No, that also you will mention in your slide. And what you will say, you can enter now also post assessment in your slide. Are you listening, Isha? Hello. Isha, network problem or what?
Yes, sir,
Yes,
I'm
she's listening.
listening. I'm listening. I
So
just
that
forgot to, turn off.
first question came from Kumud, your batchmate.
Yeah,
The
yeah, yeah.
difference
Hmm.
between pop and remove. Okay, so that you will have to answer it
Okay.
orally, not checking here. Answer it orally,
No, sir,
and
I'm
then
just running that part because I think I've explained somewhere.
okay, okay. But
So,
you
anyways,
cannot answer it orally now. Okay, just take
sir,
your time, no
remove.
problem. Mhm.
Hello.
Yes, Kumud, you are there.
So pop
Yes,
will actually pop out the last
You
element,
answer Kumud, not
and
sir.
when we use, sorry.
You answer Kumud, not to sir.
Okay, okay, fine. So yeah, Kumud, thanks for the question. So Kumud, pop will actually pop out the last element from the list, and if we want to remove an element from a specified position, then we use remove function. So I was about to show you on the Jupyter notebook, but yeah, it's okay
Understood the
orally
example.
also.
The answer is correct. No need to show that. So now any more question? You
Okay.
welcome Sampath Sai Kumar. Otherwise, I am putting a question in the chat box. Just to answer that, Isha, I have taken one list
Yes,
5,
sir.
10, 15, 25. I have just posted in
Hmm.
chat box, and it is to be print : -2. What value will be printed?
5, 10, 15, 25. A list.
Here you can answer and then check the output.
Hmm.
It is not like that you are losing any marks. You understanding of this? No, so that it is counting from -1, -2. So what does it will display? : -2. It will display 5, 10, 15, or 15, 10, 5, or only 15 or 10.
Sir,
Just check if it. You can check it.
colon -2 will replace, I think, in reverse order 15, 10, 5.
You can check it
-1,
now.
-2.
If it is quickly, you can check it. You can check it now.
Sir, it will be 15, 10, 5, I think.
You can check it now.
Yeah, okay, fine. It's printing 2510.
Now explain that output. It is printing 25.10. Can you explain that output?
Sir, I think it's taking alternate elements. Like first it's taking 25 and then alternative one, because you have given a gap which is of -2. So -2 indicates that from the end we'll go, and at a gap of 2 we are printing. So it's
Anyway,
25
you
and
are
then 10.
not exactly correct, but you are nearer to the answer. Everybody will check, and if that question also will be recorded in your slide. And finally, that taking the 4 or 5 examples like that, you will have to record it. So thank you, Isha. First, Sampath will have to thank you and conclude the session. Sampath.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Isha. That was a nice presentation. Hope everyone got understand about this.
Fine. So now I will have some session here. So first, what I should do, that I will have to conclude this one. This only 3-4 slides of this IDLE debugger. And most of you have worked or not IDLE debugger. So, and I will have to upload the quiz because module 3 is going to be completed. And I will have to activate the quiz 2 and quiz 3 also. So in this time, what do you suggest, all of you, that let it be finished in the next class, module 3, and just I should activate only the quiz 2. So you will be doing here only now. So let it be activate first the quiz 2. and let the class will be next time. So here only. So we will be answering the quiz 2 question because the list she has started now, and module 2 was from that all those, so that I assigned to here the quiz 2 CAC 5B quiz 2, and here quiz 2 whether the in ADP classwork I have assigned quiz 2 or not assigned still. For that reason, quiz 2 first get the link, copy the link, done, and here first assigning the task create quiz assignment, and title is ADP quiz 2, and instruction submit during class or submit today to get full score, or during the class, submit during the class to get full score, full percentage of a score, so that 1 marks will be benefited who are present in the class. I have given now this one I am deleting, adding the link. I have started to sharing the link or not first. You have stopped sharing, no? Isha?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Due date today only I will give. Due date is 12th only. Time is only 11:59 p.m. Fine. But I will check once at 1 p.m. Okay, fine. So it is, everything is correctly given here. Now assign, and after assigning, here I will have to make it activate. ADP quiz 2 responses. Now response. So now check once, Isha, and say me that the response is activated for ADP assignment 2.
Okay, sir. I'll just update you.
Now only. It is active now. From classroom, anyone, Jayant, Sai Kumar, Sampat Kumar, Sai Krishna, Kumud, anyone can just say me, yes sir, it is activated.
Yes, sir, it's activated.
It's activated,
Fine.
sir.
So go ahead and enjoy to submit that quiz. And if you are submitting before 12:20, you are getting the full score. Who are absent, who are submitting late up to 12 midnight, that on the cost of -1. Again, next day I will be deactivating it. The next day will be the cost of -2. A question I can see from here. So your USNN name is also there. And here the list, wrong statement about tuple. Nobody has asked Isha that convert a list into tuple. For tuple, which one true or false, wrong statement in a dictionary. Items built-in method for the Python dictionary. Get pprint. Yes, pretty print I have told that what will be the type of that. Nikita is Marin's friend. What will be printed or it will cause error. And Singh is lower is true or false. So easy. So everyone should score 1920. till that I will be taking the attendance. This I will be concluding in the next class. So Abhishek Aditya M. Okay. After that, G. Raghu Babu. Ganesh Shastri, Ganguva Patil, Gauri, Girish, Guddu, Harsh Dhiman. So Hardik and Harsh Dut are absent. 69, 71. Hila Sasi, Hrishikesh, Indraja, Isha Malini, Ishita Chattopadhyay, Ishta Srivastav, Jayant Kumar, Sai Nikita. Vishnuvardhan Reddy is absent. Abhishek, Sai Nikita, Subbi Reddy.
Sir, Yashas, I'm present, sir.
Yashas is present. Yashas will appear alphabetically in the classroom at last. Roll number according sorting to the USN, it appears first.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
I know that. So, why you are afraid, Yashas? You are not confident for you?
No, sir, nothing like that.
Confident. Take care of your which of the quiz assignment submitted or not submitted.
I've submitted, sir, quizzes all.
Yashas, it is up to now. It is not looking any one assignment.
So I've submitted 2 assignments and 2 quizzes, sir.
So you might have submitted late. I will have to check it.
Okay, sir.
Means who are not submitted deadline, yours may be there. I will check it again for you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
And now I think I have seen somewhere the Vishnuvardhan Reddy also appeared. Tell me, yes, Vishnuvardhan. Just join or what? Okay, Indrajai Shamishta is Jayant Kumar, Vishnuvardhan, K. Abhishek, Sai Nikita. Sai Nikita. Kritika, Kubham, Kumud, Manisha, Manpreet, Manu, Meera Krishna, Mehul Sakaria. I know that. He has also submitted late something. But I'm not taking all those things now. Who have not submitted on time, I have not making pressure also, but lastly filling with the deducting 2-3 marks like that. Sakaria. They can take semi-friendly, sorry sir, I will be submitting quiz and assignment, but I will not come to the class. Amanpreet Manu, Mehul Varsne, Merin Jacob, Aman Khan, Wasim, Ajan is present. I am proud of you, Ajan. Okay. And Jigar Jitesh Bhai also. Monisa L, Monica case. Alphabetically it is appearing. Fine. Now from N I will have to check. Nagmohan, okay. Nimitesh, Nikita. But I'm not seeing here this both. Nikhil P, Nikhil Mishra. 108, 109. Nikita Ishwarna, Neeraj Sanjay, Nitin N, Nitin Suraj. Nitin N, you are listening me, Nitin?
Yes, sir.
I am using the word requesting you. I am also requesting you to give you full marks. No, please give a flip class, please. I am not making a pressure. I am requesting. Give 10 minutes for anything. No, I want to hear you. Nitin Suraj, Nitish Hegde, Onkar Patra, Meera Krishna. Meera Krishna has promised or not, I don't know. Meera Krishna is not present today. Meera is present.
Sir, I'm present.
Meera Krishna, no flip class. Niranjan Reddy, Padmaja. Padmaja has promised me, but she is not telling anything. Padmaja has presented. I am reporting officially to CR also that she will be giving some flip class. Pragya Pandey. Pragya, I want to hear your voice. Pragya, please. Okay. Namaste to your parents by chat box. You don't want to talk to me? Okay, no problem. Always your mic is not on. Not asking any question. Not ready to give any flip class. So one thing only assured that the not participating by heart in the class, not participating giving the flip class. So we cannot expect the full marks in internal. Prashant Kumar, Preeti Khetan, Presila, Ramya. Presila also promised she is not turning up, but again I will be using the word requesting Babu. Please give me one flip class. Ramya D. Presila, I want to say something. Vani Saringa Mukri Vidya Yashas. Now, where is Pratik Day and Pratik Bharuka? Pratik Day and Pratik Bharuka. 124, 125. If I am not calling the roll number in between, they are thinking that sir has missed my name. Prakash Kuikel. Where is Prakash Kuikel? 121. Sorry. Not much. So I have taken the attendance and I will just watch, and it is being recorded, no? So I will watch that how many turned in up to now in the classwork. Only 2 turned in. 2 turned in, and that is Hrishikesh and Jigar Jitesh Bhai. Anyhow. So that you have done little bit fast. You have the time now up to 12:20. So in hurry, you do not do the mistake, because here I cannot help you. Manually marking is there, but what you have scored, that marks only you will be getting. Responses. Individual. 3 only. That's 16 of Jigar Jitesh Bhai. And Hrishikesh. Okay, Hrishikesh so fast. Hrishikesh so fast. List 1, 2 equal to wrong. 4 of 20 point only. Intentionally you are giving the wrong answer. Hrishikesh. Hrishikesh, what happened? I have set here the quizzes, no? These quizzes, make this quiz and only one response. Only one response is given, no? I will check that. So that multiple time you cannot submit it.
Sir,
Yes.
Pratik here, sir. I got disconnected when you were calling out my name.
Pratik De or Pratik Bharuka?
Bharuka, sir.
Pratik Bharuka. Okay, roll number?
125.
How did you know that when I called you at that time you were disconnected?
Sir, actually, Mumbai, there's a power cut, sir. So,
No. How
like
did
when...
you know that I have marked
No,
you
I was
absent?
there, sir. I was there, sir. I was not able to unmute.
Okay. You
Yeah.
were there already.
Yeah, so I
But
disconnected
I
and I
have
joined
checked the
again.
list, no, alphabetically there is no surname coming for you. So that
That's
after
why.
MN I have to check the 2-3 times. Again, see here, it is P. Niranjan 2 times logged in. Padmaja, P. Srikar Reddy, and Pragya, Prapti, Prashant, Pratik Day. Now Pratik Day is also there. But at that time it was not there. Anyway, so that I believe all of you. Pratik Day, your USN?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Sir,
Bhalo achen?
sir, my USN 124, sir.
124.
Yes, sir.
ভালো আছেন প্রতীক?
হ্যাঁ ভালো আছি স্যার।
খাওয়া দাওয়া হয়ে গেল?
না স্যার এখন খেতে যাব।
ওকে। মাছ? You are in
না,
Bangalore, Bangalore-টা or বাড়িতে?
বাড়িতে আছি স্যার।
Okay. নমস্কার to your parents.
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
পূজে এলো, no? So পূজে এলো, so that let you wish all this Dashara is coming, but I think without pandal only, no?
Yes, sir. Only certain places are having pandals.
Pandal they have permitted in
Yeah, for
Kolkata
only.
because they have stopped the
permitted, but-
gathering of more than 5 people at a time in a pandal.
They have allowed pandals, but there should be a distance of 15 kilometers between each pandal. So there should not be gathering of more than 15.
But within a single pandal, how the social distancing will be maintained between people? When the pilgrimage, all those come, no? So how the distancing will be maintained during for the darshanarthi?
That I don't know, sir. They might
Anyway,
decide something.
so that we don't want to be in that debate also anyway, but because it is I know that because I spent 2 times Dashara, whole 9 days in Kolkata, staying to my relative, and my wife was also there for 2-3 days, and it is the story of I think 35 years back. 35 years back. So whole this one of the Belia, one of the this metro station, and near the one this ferry work is going from the Shalakia to Bhutnath. So there one metro station, that temple, and this one Salt Lake and College Square. Those 2-3 were always having the top Durga Pandal and with a statue and other things, and with the art of the Bengal Murti Kala.
Yes, they had a 80 feet tall.
You are permanent resident of where? In which area?
So I don't stay in West Bengal. I stay in Jharkhand. In that also, I stay in Jamshedpur, Tatanagar.
Jamshedpur, Tata. The 35% Jamshedpur population is also dominated by Bengali people.
Yes, sir.
35% of Jamshedpur, and I think Dhanbad also 20%, I guess.
My relatives are in Dhanbad also.
Bokaro also 10. Bokaro is the cosmopolitan, no problem, but Jamshedpur 35%. So that in Jamshedpur where? In main Jamshedpur, Sakchi, Adityapur, Chakradharpur where? Or Bokaro Steel City quarter, sorry, in Jamshedpur, Tata Steel plant quarters only.
No, not in quarters. I stay in separate bungalows. My father doesn't work in Tata Steel. He is a businessman.
So that you have your bungalow in private area like Adityapur, Chakradharpur, Sakchi, where?
Yes, I stay in Kadma in Syndicate Colony.
Kadma. Okay, that I have given more time personally asking. Stay safe. Namaste to your parents, and wishing you that coming happy Dashara to all of you. I will have to conduct 1-2 more classes, only that in between 1 week I will not be there during your IAT. During your second IAT starts from the 28th, no? So I will be taking the leave. So now I stop the recording, and If you have not answered, here I have not asked any the quiz question, not starting the class today, so only the flip class. And this, what the flip class, and this quiz, flip class and quiz. So that is only today done. So, okay, all the best. I love you all. Take care. So again, for this attendance, any of I have marked wrongly attendance. So I believe you tell me either by chat box or what. 69, 71, 80, 98, 108, 109, 121. So these are absent, no problem. So I stopped the recording.